Samsung just launched two new phones called the Galaxy A55 and Galaxy A35. They're not as fancy as the Galaxy S24, but they're still really good for their price. Even though they have some differences, the A55 and A35 are quite similar to each other. Let's take a closer look at both models to help you decide which phone suits your needs the best. The Galaxy A55 and Galaxy A35 have big screens, measuring 6.6 inches with really clear displays. They use special technology to adjust the brightness depending on where you are, so you can see well even in bright sunlight or dark rooms. You can get both phones in 4 cool colors: ice blue, lilac, navy, and lemon. They all look bright and unique. These phones are quite alike. They have rounded edges and similar camera setups on the back, each with 3 camera lenses. One small difference is that the A55 has a metal frame, while the A35's frame is plastic. The Galaxy A55 and Galaxy A35 smartphones have a key difference in their chipset. The A55 features the Samsung Exynos 1480, while the A35 has the less powerful Samsung Exynos 1380. The Exynos 1480, introduced alongside the Galaxy A55 in March 2024, is built using a foreign process, offering high-end performance with improved efficiency and lower power consumption. It boasts 8 cores, including 4 high-performance Cortex-A78 cores clocked at 2.75 GHz and 4 power-efficient Cortex-A55 cores clocked at 2.0 GHz, along with the Eclipse 530 GPU. Early benchmarks indicate a 22% increase in CPU performance and a 31% jump in GPU performance compared to its predecessor, the Exynos 1380. Both the A55 and A35 come with a 5,000 mAh battery supporting 25-watt fast-wired charging, providing all-day battery life but lacking wireless charging capability. The Galaxy A55 has superior camera specs compared to the Galaxy A35. It features a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 5-megapixel macro camera, along with a 32-megapixel front camera. In contrast, the A35 also has a 50-megapixel primary and a 5-megapixel macro camera, but with a lower quality 8-megapixel ultra-wide and a 13-megapixel front camera. Both phones support 4K video recording at 30 frames per second and offer various video quality options. The Galaxy A55 and A35 are now available in India and parts of Europe, with a wider release expected in other regions soon. The A55 starts at £439, about $564. And the A35 starts at £339, approximately $435, both with 128 gigs or 256 gigs storage options. The A35 is confirmed for the US market, but the A55 will not be available there. When deciding between the Samsung Galaxy A55 and A35, consider 3 key factors. Firstly, the A55 offers better speed and performance with its newer Exynos 1480 chipset compared to the A35's Exynos 1380. Secondly, in terms of cameras, the A55 has superior capabilities, featuring a 32-megapixel front camera and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, while the A35 lags behind with a 13-megapixel front camera and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens. Lastly, the A55 boasts a metal frame, whereas the A35 is built with plastic. Overall, if performance, camera quality, and build material matter to you, the Galaxy A55 is the preferable choice. After watching the whole video, now you can easily decide which one you should buy. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.